Welcome to FlexAbilities, an online flexibility training program designed for dancers, figure skaters, and gymnasts. You can find the full version of this video on the FlexAbilities website. Start your free trial today at flex-abilities.com. Now let's get into today's stretching routine. First, we are going to do standing side bends. Stand up with your feet apart, then stretch your arms out to the side and lean over to the side as far as you can. We are going to repeat this stretch 10 times. For this next exercise, I recommend using a pair of yoga blocks. Start by placing the blocks on the floor just in front of your feet, and then start here in a sitting position. Now slowly extend the legs all the way straight and hold the pike. Then slowly sit back down. We are going to repeat this stretch 10 times, very slow. If this is too easy, you can go down to one block or place the hands on the floor, but I recommend starting with 2 until you are able to fully straighten the legs without any trouble. Now let's do the stretch together. Slowly stand up into a pike position and straighten the legs. Then sit back down. Repeat 9 more times, then hold for an additional 10 seconds on the last one. If you feel like you have the flexibility, you can go down to one yoga block, but only if you are able to fully straighten the legs without lifting your hands off the block. Get ready to hold the standing pike position for 10 more seconds. Here we go. Moving on to the frog stretch. This stretch is going to open up your hips, and we will hold for 1 minute. Start on your hands and knees, then open the legs out to the side as far as they will go, making sure that your hips are in between the knees. You should not be sitting on the ground or laying on your stomach. Now hold here for 1 minute. If you would like, you can go down to the elbows like this. You will need a yoga strap or a stretch band for this next exercise. Start by placing the band underneath one foot, then lay down on your back and continue holding on to either end of the band. Once you have the strap set up, straighten the bottom leg and flex the upper foot and pull as far as you can until you feel the tension in your hamstring. Also make sure that your back is flat on the floor and that you are not rolling from side to side just to get the leg higher. Now let's do it together 3 times each side for 10 seconds each hold.
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you.
Now we are going to switch legs. Moving on to the final stretch. This one is for the back. Lay down on your stomach, then slowly press up into a seal stretch and try to look straight up at the ceiling. Then slowly roll back down. Repeat with me 10 times. Once you have completed 10 seal stretches, sit back on your heels into the child's pose to relax the back. That's all for today's flexibility lesson. If you enjoyed this video and would like to complete the full version, go to FlexAbilities and subscribe for exclusive stretching routines and member-only benefits.